Next up for Gunny, living in the Burrows. In this we need to check the state of the generator and check the state of the water filtration unit. Now for this we'll be heading all the way across to the far west side, YBL-1, and I'm pretty sure we'll need the generator key, which you can see over here. We'll get it just by eliminating different enemies in YBL-1's area, upstairs, downstairs, etc. Eventually checking enough bodies, you'll find this key. This is exactly what we need to get down there and open the door to check in the state of the generator and finish this mission. This is unfortunately required unless someone else has already opened the door for you. Alright, so landing here at YBL-1, we'll make our way towards the side entrance as it should just be a little bit safer to get in. If you don't already know, there's a way to get down to the second underground floor very quickly from the outside without needing to go through too many enemy AI. Though do note, this area is still very angry to say the absolute least, so you'll need to be more than prepared if you're going to come here. Checking these bots, you're pretty likely to find a key for the area. I think there's at least 2 of them that you can get, so there's a reasonable chance you'll find the generator. In the 3 or so times I've come here, I've found 2 generator keys and 1 office key, which is the one that we needed for a previous mission. In this one, we're just looking for the generator key. Alright, so coming to the entrance over here, instead of heading straight in, we'll instead follow this dirt path that takes us down to the side entrance. You can be shot by bots on the hill here, so just be aware as you're coming past. We'll essentially just follow this path until the hole in the fence, in which case we'll skip over it. So here's the hole, we'll go straight past it, this way, and up the hill. All the way at the very top, you'll find a hole that takes us straight down to the 2nd floor down. So here we go, we'll hop into this hole in the ground as such, and once we do, there's no way out except for going through the entire place and coming out the normal entrance, or at least one of them. We'll take a left past the Free Rebellion sign, straight down here, there's the body you needed from a previous quest, left down here, and down 1 more floor. Just be ready that when you do, there'll be bots downstairs here. Coming out this room, you'll see the broken passageway that we can't go through. Taking a left instead takes us towards the main area. Heading out to the right here, you'll see that we're by the communication room that we were at previously, but instead, going left past it, you should see down the passageway we have the generator control room. This is where you'll need to use the generator key as such. With it in our inventory anywhere, we'll unlock it and we should be able to open it. Now, heading into here, you'll find the generator and we'll walk towards this panel over here. We'll simply hit F to check it, and there we go. This first half of the mission is complete. The next one that we need to do is finding the water filtration unit. So, heading out here, you should have already seen it. I think it was back here. Water filtration or water supply unit in here. You'll see all of this stuff. Heading left, you'll see another panel, previously like we did with the generator room, except this one doesn't require a key. Now that we've done both of these, we can pack up and get back home. Cool. Handing in the quest for Gunny, living in the Burrows. Bam, there we go. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.